Hi guys, welcome. My name is Cher and I teach people dealing with hair loss how to make, style and install their own wigs. You don't have to be a hairdresser because I'm not, but I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have styled this hair. Bone straight, sleek, straight. It's nice and bouncy and flowy. And I just cannot keep my hands off of it, but I'm gonna do it because it's annoying to see someone touching their hair the whole time while they're talking to you. I'm trying to hold those hands there, but if you'd like to know how I've done it all, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video, and subscribe and enjoy.
Sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So some type of way, I'm losing my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight. scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know the thing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
So guys, that's it. And before I forget, I have a free ebook that shows you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wig. I have linked it in the information box below. And also go and read my blog. Say hello that you came from YouTube to check how I'm doing on the blog side, because I have a blog as well. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm on Facebook too, so follow me over there. Don't forget to subscribe. Get that free ebook that gives you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.